Alright, so there's this here. Alright, this is going the wrong way. So here's light. Here's low. Pretty nice. It is Hunter Kenbridge. Medium. High. Pretty great. They're great. Very cool. So, thanks for watching. Hunter Builder low profile. Love this fan. Medium. High. Oh, so many here. That's what I'm gonna say. So, thanks for watching. Alright, so this is now, I can't find the control to this one, so that's unfortunate. So, thanks for watching. Here's a visual comp for Rosen. I can't find the control to this one, so thanks for watching. Here's a Hunter Builder Elite Damp. Low. Medium. High. It's pretty nice. I love this fan. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Hunter. So yes, thanks for watching. There's this Hunter. I can't find the control to this one, but I demonstrated it before, so yeah, thanks for watching. Here's a Hunter Warrant. Can't find the control to this one, so yep, that's why. Thanks for watching. Here's a Visual Comfort Loden. It doesn't work, so I can't get that one to go. Thanks for watching. Here's a Hunter Arwen. Oh, this one. Yeah, I can't get this one to go, so thanks for watching. I don't know, what in the world is this? That's so odd. Damn. Thanks for watching. Here's a Hunter. I forgot what it was, but I'll look later, so thanks for watching. Here's a Hunter Shady Grove. It's pretty nice. Turn it on. Let me just turn it around so I can get back view of it. It's low. Pretty nice. Medium. high. Ouch. It's got good airflow. Turn it back off. Anyways, thanks for watching. I also can't find a control to this one, so yeah, that's why. Thanks for watching. There's a few fan ways over this little hall. They're not on. I doubt they still work. This crystal one, I don't know why. There's the last one there, so yeah. Thanks for watching. Here's these fans right here. I can't get that one to go. That one's just always on. I don't know what that is. This reminds me of a comet right there. That Hunter Bardot. Yep. Hunter Georgetown. That. This Hunter Crestfield. Hunter Bennett. That doesn't work. There's Shade Grove. Never wanted this. I don't know what this is. It is a Hunter. I don't know what that is. There's Bardot. There's a Casablanca Syria and a Vespucci and a Builder Low Profile. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Alright, here's this. I'm gonna demonstrate it. I'm gonna say. Yeah, it works. That's why. I don't know why. I'm high. So, thanks for watching. Alright, so there's this one. I'm gonna demonstrate this one. Whoa. There you go. I believe these are 5-speed, I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know why. And then high. Look at that. Off. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna demonstrate this one too. Hope it works. Whoa. Alright. I'm not gonna probably demonstrate this one, so that's why. Thanks for watching. Nothing works on this one, as you know. Look at this. Nothing works on this one, so thanks for watching. This one I can demonstrate. It's Hunter Crestfield. Turn it on. Low. pretty nice. Medium. I meant high. It wobbles so bad. So, yeah, I'm gonna turn this off. So, thanks for watching. I'm also gonna demonstrate this one as well. There's low. That was odd. So, medium. High. Pretty nice. All these fans. Yep, they're pretty cool. Turn this off. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. So the actual fact of this one, I can't turn it off and it won't change any speed. You can only turn the light off on this one. So that's why. So thanks for watching. Here's the Georgetown. Whoa. There you go. Oh yeah, it's on reverse. And I'm gonna keep this quick. It may hit that one, I think. Yeah, it's just going on reverse. Hi. Yeah, look at that. That's so nice. I'll turn it off, so yeah. Thanks for watching. This one's kind of funny because I'm gonna demonstrate these two fans here. But what is going on? What is going wrong with these fans? What the fuck? Alright, I'm gonna turn these to low. Hold up. That wasn't low, that was high. Wow. Medium. I don't know why that's like that. And then high. What is going on with these fans? Alright, that one's going crazy. Alright, I'm turning these off immediately, so thanks for watching. So here is these. They're actually powered to this. This one's still going. It is a... what is she? Yeah. What? It's because of their power like that. Whoa. That's why I think it is sometimes like interesting because of that. It is stupid. Let me get these lamps medium. I totally forgot about these. Okay. Now, high. There you go. What? I don't know why, but yeah, that one's crazy. Now we're gonna turn these off. So yeah, thanks for watching.